Today we have a 1984 Ferrari 308. This is the Magnum PI car. This car has a problem with the windows. The windows operate way too slowly. So what we did is we have removed the window motor assembly, and what we found inside here, if you come on down right here, here's the regulator. It's really not an ideal system. So we remove the speaker, and then we're able to access the regulator and the motor assembly, and it's just a mess. It's not like a window regulator on a newer car. It comes out. So I've already taken the transmission section of the regulator apart, but it comes out in this piece, and then the motor is connected to it. This is the output of the motor that then connects to the input for the transmission right down here at the other end. You have these cables that run, and they're wrapped around the motor and the gear. And then there's pulley systems. One of the pulleys is right here, and there's a couple other pulleys. That's what brings the glass up and down. The problem that we're having right now is that the window is it's starting off, up here, and it's going really slow, and then it goes down, and then it goes really slow again, and then it goes down, and then it goes really slow again. So like 3 places it goes really slow. What we found after we took this apart, right here is the motor side of the worm gear. Okay, so the motor gets connected directly into the back of this guy, and then it spins this gear assembly. The original factory grease that Ferrari used to lubricate, and you can see what's happened is this grease, it's like glue. Oh man, it's really bad. It doesn't have, it's like sticky, it's like glue. It doesn't want to lubricate at all anymore. So what it's doing, the motor is trying to spin this gear and is getting stuck. It needs to have lubrication. Lubrication doesn't last forever. That's why, this is just 30-year-old grease. It's been sitting around forever, and the stuff does have a shelf life. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this up, and then we are just going to grease it with some fresh grease. And then it'll be good for another 35 years, and then somebody else can do it.